Welcome to the 2023-2024 Beginners Bootcamp. Yes, that's right. How to become a web front-end developer in 2023. In about a month, it's going to be 2024, so we'll have to change the title, but for the moment, it's 2023. And this is the best Beginners Bootcamp on how to become a web front developer right now. And we're gonna give you the step-by-step web front-end developer. It's a mastery for beginners and it's the best full bootcamp right now. And in this video we are going to learn so many things. Let me show you what are we gonna be working with. First of all, we're gonna be working with grids in CSS. So you'll be able to style this website exactly like this one right here. And to do that, we're gonna have to use grids. If you don't know what it is, don't worry, stay tuned and we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna build a beautiful project. On this project, one of the things we're gonna build is gonna be a header. And as you can see, the header will have some hover mouse and it also will have an active button. This button, as you can see, it's red, so it's saying that we are in this tab right now, in this red tab, which is the routines. And I did this to kind of, it's not really a useless project, it's actually a very interesting project because I actually use it to plan my week, to plan my routines, to plan my learning journey, my exercise journey, my content journey. And here we're gonna put some other stuff, another table with some goals and things like that. So this could be very interesting for you and it's very practical to use. So we're also gonna learn about how to implement this dashboard over here where you can have presently it's not clickable, but we can make it clickable very easily. So this could be like a dashboard. When you log in into an application, you usually have all the settings and the features over here on the left side of the dashboard, and this is what we're trying to mimic. Also, what we're gonna be doing, also teaching you how to implement those nice icons like this with nice colors so you can suit your design, how to install them, how to use them, how do you put them in the code. Also, we're gonna be working with tables. As you can see, this is a table, so you're gonna know how to do a table, how to put some border around. As you can see here, we have some dotted border. We're also gonna learn about the table head, the table rows, the columns, and the data, how to do that. It's pretty simple. We're gonna show you that. You're also gonna learn about links, how to make the links. Also, we kind of nested some forms over here. As you can see here, it has a form. You have some input checkbox over here that you can say that, let's say you want to learn JavaScript, you can say here soon, or it's already done, or no, I didn't do it today, I missed it. So then you have here the missed button or the missed check mark. Also, we're gonna learn about different areas in the HTML design, which are the sidebar, this right here. You have the header on the top, you have the footer right here, you also have the main area, which is right everything over here. So we're gonna be working with that. Like I said before, we're gonna work also with borders. As you can see, we even implement a very nice shadow over here. As you can see, it has this small shadow. Also over here, the tables have some shadow. So how do you do this? How to implement a nice design like this for school, for a business, for a project you have, or things like that. We even gonna work with media queries because we use just a bit of media queries to do the layup over here. We're gonna learn about EM versus REM. What is EM? what is RAM, why use them instead of pixels and things like that. So this is really a complete project where you're gonna be doing basically a full project. This project is static, but it's a full project where you have everything that you usually have in a design, where maybe you're gonna need to work something similar at work or something in one of your projects, so you can grasp an idea of how to do all this. And we're gonna get into detail. We're gonna start going element by element. We're gonna style it. We're gonna do everything here. So you're gonna learn a lot of HTML, a lot of CSS, and this is the static part. Eventually later, all this we're gonna make it dynamic with JavaScript and some PHP. Okay, so I hope you stay tuned for this project, and on the next video we're gonna start jumping right into it. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2023. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.